green chili, ginger, onions, chaat masala, rice flour, salt. First, boil and smash potato and beetroot both and take into a dish. Add grinded chili, ginger, onions and mix them well. Now add chaat masala powder and salt. Now, prepare in required tikka shapes, and then take into the pan for frying, and beetroot tikki is ready to eat. Thanks for watching this videos. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Amruta's Kitchen and Beauty for upcoming latest recipes and updates. Beetroot tikki is ready to serve.